Hello users, welcome to MedCheck. This is the first page that the user will encounter when they open the application. They get a welcome message. The user can click on the Get Start button to get into the application. Here's the login page where the user can create an account or log in. The user has two options. The user also has the option to go back to the main window, which the previous window we just saw now. We'll create account now. The user can enter their email, age, weight, height, password, and re-enter password to create a new account. The user also has the option to sign in with Google. When the user clicks on the button, the user will be prompted to the screen where the user can select the Google account. After the user successfully enters to the application, the user will go to the dashboard. In the dashboard, the user will encounter will have the following settings. The user will be able to see their email, to see that they are logged in with which current email they are logged in the application. In the active medication, the user can see the recent medication added to the database or added in the application. The user gets the rewards for getting started as downloading the app. Milestone is for the user to log into the app. Use MedCheck is for using the application. There is a refill button where the user can click to search for nearby pharmacies where the user can get their refills or get the nearby pharmacies and get over-the-counter medication. First, we're gonna add. The user also has the options as we can see here, the navigation bar with the preferences as settings, calendar, dashboard, about medication, and medication. We'll go through all the settings just now. First, we'll go to add a new medication. Here, the user will add the name of the medication. This is the first step of the process. The user has to enter the name of the medication. We can enter aspirin as the name of the medication, the strength, and the user should select which option they want. If the user selects schedule dose, the user will get notification when to take the dose and how to take the dose. We're gonna click to it now and see how it is. In the second step, the user will enter the time they should take the medication. I'm gonna set the time now. The user can select how often they take the medication. We have the following option. For now, we wanna take the every 4 hours. Based on this option, the user will get a notification to take their medication. Here, the user will enter the dose that they will take each time the notification goes on. The next step, the user can click on schedule dose. The user will be taken to this page where the user can have the option to view the medication, clear the cabinet, and add another medication. Here the user has all their medication that they have entered. in the database. If the user clicks on view medication, they will be taken to the screen again where they can modify Now we will go back to the dashboard. Here is the recent medication that was entered by the user, aspirin. If the user knows a lot about the medication, the user can get to know more about the medication by clicking on the button, get to know more about your medication. In this button, here the user can enter the name of the medication as aspirin has been the one selected, and click on search. The user will get the name of the drug I will use for this medication, description, full description of the medication. The user also gets the dosage and the demonstration how the medication should be taken. If we go down a bit, the user also gets the warnings of the medication. For this we have 5 warnings and precautions. And we also provide indication and usage of the medication, adverse and reactions, and that's pretty much it for the medication. If we go back to the dashboard, the user can also get the refill by clicking on the refill button. The user will go to the map where the user will search for their nearby pharmacy. The user will be prompt to accept or deny the application to get the user current location. We're going to accept, so you can get here. It shows the geographical position of the user. The red lines here indicates nearby hospitals or pharmacies. Here we can get some nearby hospitals. The user can get a quick review. The user can also get look for pharmacies here. For this one, as instance, for the VitaCare pharmacy here, user can get the option to direct to the pharmacy. We can get this where the user will be taken to the user will be taken here, and the user can start their trip to the nearby pharmacy. Now we're going to go back to the application. Go back to the dashboard. Here the user has the nav bar. The user has the calendar where the user can see the dates, whether the medication have been taken, and about the medication. You have been here already, where the user enter the name to search for the medication and how it's taken. In this page, the user gets to see the medication that the user has entered. We also have the preference menu where the user can get to change their preferences and settings. The user gets a welcome message when they get to the settings. The user can change their settings to night mode. We also have our terms and conditions here that the user can read before making any decisions. We also have the frequent asked questions. with some answers. We have the language settings. We have the what's new on MedCheck. And we also have a security feature where the user can add their biometrics. I'm gonna use here. The biometric has been enabled. The user also gets to choose a language. We're gonna use Portuguese. If we log out of the application and log in again, let's try another. Here. The user, so after logging out, the language settings change. We have chosen Portuguese. If we try to connect now, the user can also connect using their biometrics, as we have said before. The user will be logged in. Let's try to add another medication. Let's try again. Save and select the time. Okay, 8 hours, F8 hours. Then select how many we want to take and click save. You can see the settings are in Portuguese now. And here's the medication we just added. You can go to refill. The map also in Portuguese. The user has the options to hide the options. The maps have the following options: satellite view. We got the notification to take the medication. We can mark as taken. We'll get to the screen where the user will be. Oh yes. Okay. It also has the hybrid option for the map. User can zoom in and zoom out. User have plenty of options here. And the normal map is the one with the feature where the user can see the nearby hospitals and pharmacies. And that's it for today. Then the user can log out by clicking on the logout button, which is in Portuguese now. The user has been logged out. Thank you.